I've been using Luxe bidets for the last 4 years and I've honestly loved them. So I was really excited to upgrade to the newest Whift 185 with the hinge design for easier cleaning. I didn't think I could love a bidet more than I already did, but this one really surprised me. As I'm opening the box, you can see this is truly a DIY in a box situation. Everything you need is right here. No special tools, no plumber, no stress. If you've ever felt intimidated installing a bidet, this makes it feel completely doable. The installation process is so simple. You slide it right into place using the adjustment plates. You don't even have to remove the entire toilet seats, which saves so much time. Then you connect the hose to your water supply with the T-valve. Tighten it up and that's it. It's non-electric, runs on cold water, and takes just a few minutes to set up. Now, this feature is really what makes it different. It's the built-in Whift deodorizing spray. This is such a smart addition. There's a spray bottle that connects directly into the unit, and with the push of a button, it sprays into the toilet bowl before you go. It traps odors right at the source instead of masking them afterwards. Hygiene is a big deal, and this one makes it easy. There is a 360-degree self-clean mode that rinses the nozzle and the guard gate, so everything stays fresh without extra effort. And of course, you still get the dual nozzle system, a rear wash and a feminine wash, with adjustable water pressure so you can customize it exactly how you like. One of my favorite upgrades has to be the easy lift hinge design. The bidet flips up and out of the way, making it so much easier to clean underneath and around the toilet seat. If you've ever tried to deep clean around a standard bidet attachment, you'll understand why this is such a big improvement. Overall, I genuinely love this new bidet. The Whift spray feature is such a game changer, and the hinge design makes keeping the toilet clean so much easier. It feels like a thoughtful upgrade to something I already use every single day. Huge thank you to the brand for sending me the Whift bidet. This one is definitely staying in my bathroom.